What if I told you that this 12-pound vest and 10 to 20 minutes in first light completely rewired my brain, fixed my sleep, and transformed my prayer life? And everything that I'm going to share with you today is completely backed up by science. So, why don't you take the first morning light walk with me, and we'll talk about how this simple practice that you can easily fit into your life is completely transforming mine. So here we go. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carrie Stone, and this is Carrie On, where we talk all things money, movement, and mindset. And today, we're talking movement because I want to share the changes that I have made regarding my movement in the last 2 months that is completely changing my life and how I feel and how I'm showing up each and every day. And I want you to have these same benefits too. So take a morning walk with me, and I will share everything that I'm learning. Now, before I show you exactly how this works, I want you to do something. Take a look at your screen time from yesterday. Now imagine if you had spent 15 minutes of that time out in first morning light instead. Here is what would happen to your body. First morning light literally adds years to your life. Stanford research shows it's more powerful than melatonin, and it won't make you feel groggy in the morning. The forward movement in the morning triggers dopamine and serotonin, which holds on with you throughout the day. And science says it's even better than coffee. And I have to say, I've noticed since I've been doing this that I'm not missing my morning coffee. Like, I've been up now for an hour and I haven't even thought about my coffee. Not that I'm not excited to get back to the house and drink it, but I'm not like feeling anxious about having my coffee. And I find that really interesting for someone who, lived their life always thinking about coffee. And Harvard found that 15 minutes of walking changes your nervous system for the entire day. 15 minutes. That's all you need. But here's what most people miss. The weighted vest amplifies everything you're doing by 40%. The weighted vest gives you more bone density, more calorie burn, and more mental resilience. A couple months ago, I was really struggling. And I had already started implementing just going outside in the morning to get first morning light. But then I learned that there were other things that I could be doing that I could get like multiple benefits out of one 20-minute session outside. And that's when I started changing things up. And when I did, everything turned around. So many cars passing this morning. When I'm out here, I'm not just getting movement in my day, which is amazing, but I'm also getting oxygen in my lungs, and I'm using the weighted vest to get some resistance training. And I use this time specifically for my prayer and my praise. I use this to just really pray for all of my people and their lives. I pray for my neighborhood. Oh, I got lots of bunnies this morning. Too far for you to see them, but that's one of the things I love about these early morning walks is the bunnies. So I love being able to just take time for prayer and praise. And I am so distracted by these bunnies right now. So hold on, can I get them for you? Because they are so, so cute. I hope this works. I hope you were able to see that. They're just playing in the middle of the street, running now into a field. So I started doing this in order to combine. I love to get multiple things done with one action. And so moving to, there's the bunnies. There's the bunnies. So starting to do a first morning light walk gave me the morning light, which is beneficial.
It gave me movement first thing in the morning, which is also beneficial. And using the weighted vest gave me an even better workout. And taking the time for prayer and praise has just significantly impacted my my life. And I start the day now with just so much energy and strength and vitality. And like now I drink my coffee just because I enjoy the taste and not because I'm desperate for it to wake me up and make me feel better. So this has been just an amazing change for me. And I have really loved all of the benefits. So, when you're trying to hit those 15,000 steps in a day, you can get up, get outside first thing in the morning and just knock out 2,000. That's really great. And I find that to be really helpful. But also, it has helped me to appreciate my neighborhood more. So I've been enjoying that. I admit there was a time that I was complaining a lot about living here. And I have found that since I've started doing this, I find myself praising God for allowing me to live here. So it's been good for that. Man, there are a lot of people out this morning, but I also waited probably 30 minutes longer than I normally would to come out and do this because of the fact that the sun is now coming out later. So you want to get that sun in your eyes. Now, today, the sun is not as bright, so I'm doing a 20-minute walk as opposed to a 10-minute because I want to make sure I get enough of the benefit of the first morning light. So I don't think I knew at the start how powerful this would be, but the combination of first light walking plus the weighted vest plus the prayer and gratitude, it has been incredibly profound. And I think sometimes we get so busy in our lives that we forget to be grateful. We think we're grateful. We might say, "Oh, I'm so grateful I have this." But it's not until you allow yourself to really feel that gratitude that it has a greater power on you physically. And I have really been feeling gratitude lately, just really thinking on it and letting it just kind of seep into me. And then as I've been doing that, I noticed on these walks, like my prayers have gotten so detailed and intense. And that has been pretty magnificent. But some other benefits of doing this is it sets your circadian rhythm. When you get out and get that first light into your eyes, then when you go to bed at night, your body is now ready for that process of going to bed because you told it when to be tired. And I can say, I fall asleep so fast now. I mean, so fast. It is absolutely incredible, like how little time it takes me to go to sleep. And that was not always the case. I really struggle with going to sleep. I'm really looking for a good view. It's still beautiful, as you can see. It's still it's still beautiful, but just not as stunning this morning as it usually is. So maybe you're having trouble getting out, getting movement. And I know a lot of people struggle with that based on some of my past movement videos. People have said that they really struggle with how to get enough movement. And so I created a download for you that will give you 25 ways you might not have thought about to get some extra movement into your day. And so it's going to be in the description below. You can click on that. It's totally free. And you can find out 25 more ways to get some extra movement in your day because, movement matters. Movement is medicine. And I can say, when I don't get movement, like my body is so sore. Like I am in so much pain when I'm not moving. So it is really, really important to get your movement. So whatever you need to do to get out there, get out and get your movement. But really, like seriously, take advantage of the early morning walk, because then you're not just getting movement, but you're getting all the health benefits and the mental benefits and just the overall just well-being. And I think we all need a little more of that. So here's what I want you to do. Tomorrow morning, yes, tomorrow morning, I want you to get out, just you. Don't worry about a vest yet. Just get out with your weight and get 10 to 15 minutes of first morning light. Make sure you step outside within the hour of sunrise, because it really does matter that you're out within the first hour of the sunrise. And just walk 10, 15 minutes, no vest, just you, and see what happens. And while you're out there walking, think of 3 things that you're grateful for. And you can pray, you can meditate, you can just think on your gratitudes, but really go with nothing. Go with no phone, go with no distractions, and just be, and see what it does for your mental health. I'm telling you, it'll be great. Another little tip that I didn't want to forget to say, it is really important that you get that first light in your eyes. And that's one of the reasons why I've been getting up, putting my contacts in first thing in the morning, because my glasses have transition lenses and I don't want to have my eyes covered and not getting the full benefit of the first light. So you want to make sure you're not wearing sunglasses and you don't have transition lenses on, because you want to get the full benefit. So that's one of my tips. And you guys, I guarantee science backs this up. You'll feel different. Your energy, your mood, your entire day will shift. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to try it. And then when you do try it, come back and let me know how it worked for you, because I would be very excited to see you have the same success that I've been having doing the first light walk. So, I'm out of breath now from my 12-pound vest. I'm ready to go in, have some coffee, get to work, and make this an amazing day. And I hope you will too. So until next time, carry on.